Hi, my name is Crystal Derby. My midwife was Sherry Hopkins, and I chose to come to Well-Rounded Mama because I wanted a different birth experience than I had for my firstborn. This is Amir. He's baby number 2, and we had him at home in our bedroom in a water birth, and the experience was perfect. I couldn't have asked for anything more. Sherry was this calm to the storm. Every time I felt like I was going to give up or I couldn't handle it, she was right there, super supportive. She allowed my husband to deliver our son, which was such an experience for him. I would do it over again with her 1,000 times, and it was worth every moment, every feeling, every emotion, everything that we did was 100% worth it. He came in bright-eyed and bushy, tail, eyes wide open, just ready to join our family, and Sherry made the experience just wonderful. I wouldn't have done anything different.